Hosting a Cinco de Mayo party and want to make it unforgettable? Wondering what kind of food, music, and games bring the fiesta to life? Not sure how to blend traditional Mexican culture with modern party vibes? Need ideas that are fun for both adults and kids alike? Looking to keep it budget-friendly, but still full of color, flavor, and flair? Then stick around, because today we're diving into Cinco de Mayo party ideas that are vibrant, easy to execute, and guaranteed to get the celebration going. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's the best theme for a Cinco de Mayo party? Go with a colorful fiesta theme. Think papel picado banners, sarape fabrics, mini piñatas, and lots of bright colors like red, green, orange, pink, and turquoise. You could also do a taco night, margarita bar, or even a street market-inspired setup. If that theme sparked your imagination, give this video a like. What type of food should I serve? Traditional Mexican dishes are always a hit: tacos, enchiladas, guacamole, and churros. Set up a taco or nacho bar so guests can customize their plates. Don't forget salsa in different spice levels and plenty of chips. Share your favorite party dish in the comments below. What drinks should I serve at a Cinco de Mayo party? Offer margaritas, classic or fruit-infused, tequila shots, and Mexican beers like Corona or Modelo. For non-alcoholic options, try horchata, aguas frescas like hibiscus or tamarind, or Jarritos sodas for a colorful touch. Planning drinks for your party? Save this tip for later. How can I decorate the party space? Use papel picado, balloons in bright colors, Mexican blankets as tablecloths, and plenty of flowers like marigolds or bougainvillea. Small cactus centerpieces or piñatas also add fun, festive flair. Let us know in the comments how you're decorating this year. What kind of music should I play? Set the tone with a playlist full of mariachi, cumbia, salsa, and Latin pop. Include artists like Vicente Fernández, Selena, or modern Latin hits for dancing. Live music or a hired guitarist can also elevate the experience. Like music with your margaritas? Hit that like button. What are fun games or activities to include? Traditional games like loteria, Mexican bingo, piñata smashing, or even a salsa dance contest can keep guests entertained. DIY craft stations for kids and trivia about Mexican culture can add an educational twist too. Planning games for your guests? Drop a fun emoji below. How do I make the party family-friendly? Create a separate space for kids with coloring sheets, crafts, like decorating mini sombreros or maracas, and simpler food options. Keep music at a fun level and include games everyone can enjoy. If you're inviting families, save this tip to your party checklist. What should I include in a party invitation? Mention the dress code, bright or traditional attire, food offerings, whether it's potluck style, and any activities planned. You can even include a small history of Cinco de Mayo to keep the meaning behind the celebration alive. Planning invites now? Hit that follow button for more party ideas. How can I create a DIY photo booth? Set up a colorful backdrop with papel picado or a sarape blanket. Include props like sombreros, mustaches, maracas, and signs that say Viva Mexico or Talk about a party. It's easy and always a guest favorite. Love DIY moments? Comment photo fun below. What outfits should guests wear? Encourage traditional or festive outfits like embroidered blouses, sombreros, bright dresses, or colorful shirts. Even a simple flower crown or a fun printed shirt can add to the vibe. Let us know what you're planning to wear. Can I make this party educational too? Yes. Share a brief history of Cinco de Mayo, its origins, meaning, and how it's celebrated in Mexico versus the US. Trivia games or cultural displays with fun facts can spark great conversations. If you love mixing fun with learning, give this a thumbs up. How do I make a great dessert spread? Try tres leches cake, flan, churros with chocolate sauce, or Mexican wedding cookies. Arrange them on colorful trays or cake stands for extra eye appeal. Planning a sweet finale? Comment your dessert pick. Throwing a Cinco de Mayo party is all about celebrating joy, community, and culture. With the right mix of food, decor, music, and activities, you can create an unforgettable experience for your guests, whether you go all out or keep it casual. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about the fun, the flavor, and the fiesta. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Be sure to like, comment, and follow for more creative party inspiration. Feliz Cinco de Mayo!